Nice little rainbow on a worm, eh? What's up everybody, my name is Adrian. Beginner's Guide, how to build a rig, catch rainbow trout. This behind me is one of my favorite stock ponds with rainbow trout in my area, so stay tuned. Gonna put my GoPro underneath the water, hopefully catch some really cool competition between the trout and how they get this bait. Set of pliers, a couple of your favorite beads, mine are green, barrel swivel, obviously, a slip bobber, a tiny number 6 hook, 2 different pieces of line. We're gonna start off at the bottom of our rig with our hook. Give it a quick pinch, just like that. Take about 1.5 feet of your lightest line, cut it. We're gonna create a knotless knot with our hook now. Take your line, feed it through, hold it against the hook. Wrap it around. Take the opposite end, feed it through. Pull. You've just created the easiest knot every fisherman needs to know in fishing. As I always finish this knot, is add a little green bead. This helps the fish find the bait underneath the surface in the water. Just like that, a little piece of nightcrawler really stands out. We're gonna add our barrel swivel to the end of this line. I use a simple clinch knot, so I feed it through, pinch the line on both sides, holding the barrel swivel. Give it a few twists while holding with my left hand like so. I'm going to create a twisted line with a loop at the end. Feed your tag end that you're holding with your pinched hand through the hole and pull. Just like that, you've attached your line to your barrel swivel, then attach to your hook. Cut about a 2-foot piece of our thicker line. Give it a cut with the piece you just cut and the other end of your barrel swivel. Tie that on exactly the same as you did before with a clinch knot. Pinch it, twist, feed your tag end back through the hole, pull. Now you have 2 different lines of thickness tied to your barrel swivel. Feed the tag end line that you just tied through your slip bobber. Finish it off with a bead. This bead helps you indicate when your bait is hanging straight down from your bobber. To tie this slip bobber rig onto your main line, we're gonna tie a knot called the double uni knot. Take your 2 pieces of line and overlap them like that. Now take the tag end of your main line and loop it onto itself. Once you have your main line looped on itself, feed your tag end through the hole 5 times. Once you've done that, pull. Take this other line that's on top of your main line, and same thing. Loop it onto itself like so, feed it through 5 times. Pull. Watch the magic of those 2 knots that you just tied come together. Sandwich. Boom. You've just attached the main line from your reel to the leader of your slip bobber. Cut your tag ends. Final piece of the puzzle, 6-inch piece. A single uni knot under the main knot that you just tied. The single most important lynch piece in this rig, just to ensure that that bead does not slip past the knot, so we keep the perfect desired depth from the surface every single time. That was a single uni knot. Now we slide that up there, clip our tag ends. No way is that bead going through that knot. Now that we're all set up with our rig and our nice juicy worm, let's see how long it's gonna take to catch a fish. Fish look at those awesome, sweet colors. Give you a nice, cool perspective. This side with the sun. Still got my bait even. Let's try again for another one. Fish on. Another nice little rainbow on a worm, eh? Very cool. Just like that, another rainbow. Quick pro tip, once the wind starts picking up, find the calmest spot in your pond and there's gonna be fish. So I threw it right in that little corner. Yep, had a hit. Or after it. Oh, that's awesome. Yes, see? And he took that right away with a fight with a few others. There you go. There he goes.